Why did my car insurance get so expensive? The truth behind rising rates. One morning, Alex opened his mailbox and found something shocking. His car insurance bill was much higher than before. Wait, why am I paying more? I didn't have any accidents. I didn't get any tickets. Alex was confused. But the truth is, many drivers experience the same problem. So why do car insurance prices increase? The first reason is the rising cost of car repairs. Modern cars are full of expensive technology. Cameras, sensors, and computer systems make repairs much more expensive than they used to be. A small accident that once cost a few $100s to fix can now cost thousands. The second reason is inflation. When the price of parts, labor, and medical costs goes up, insurance companies often increase their rates to cover these higher expenses. The third reason is your personal risk level. Insurance companies look at many factors, including your driving history, your location, your age, and even how often accidents happen in your area. Even if you are a safe driver, your rate can still increase because of changes around you. But Alex didn't want to simply accept the higher price. He decided to find ways to lower his insurance cost. First, he compared prices from different insurance companies. Many drivers stay with the same company for years without checking if they can get a better deal. Second, he asked about discounts. Some companies offer discounts for safe driving, having multiple policies, installing safety devices, or completing defensive driving courses. Third, Alex reviewed his coverage. He made sure he wasn't paying for protection he didn't actually need. But he was careful. Choosing less coverage just to save money can become expensive after a serious accident. The biggest lesson? Don't ignore your car insurance bill. A higher price doesn't always mean you have to pay more forever. By understanding why rates increase and making smart choices, you can often reduce your costs and keep better protection. So next time your insurance bill changes, don't just accept it. Ask questions, compare options, and take control of your insurance. Because saving money starts with knowing how the system works.